Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're in Orangefox. Start immediately by confirming a stable power level and available storage. Reboot to recovery if needed, then swipe to allow modifications. Next, tap Backup and pick the images you need, at minimum boot and system. Add data if you want apps and settings. Once chosen, pick your destination, internal, micro SD, or OTC. Make sure you use a folder name that includes date and device model to avoid overriding previous backups. Once you press Backup, monitor the progress bar and the on-screen log. Orangefox shows detailed steps. If you're low on space, enable compression to reduce size, though it increases CPU time. For external FAT32 drives, enable splitting to 4 GB chunks so files save correctly. Make sure the recovery remains active, don't unplug storage or reboot. If a step stalls, wait a minute. Transient I/O issues often recover without restarting the process. When backup completes, always verify integrity using the verification option or MD5 checksums. This confirms readable files. Next, copy the backup to a PC or cloud storage for redundancy and label it with date and device. Once verified, you can safely reboot to system. If verification fails or files are missing, remount the storage, try a different USB cable or OTG adapter, and reattempt a fresh backup on the same Orange.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.